Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're tackling the QQQ, the Invesco QQQ Trust. And we'll be looking at both the current events and chart data to make some informed assessments about what this chart means and what we might expect in the future. First, let's take a look at the daily chart to see the overall trend. Recent news indicates a generally positive outlook for the tech sector, with the Nasdaq experiencing its fourth consecutive week of gains last week, although today's market appears to show some volatility. There are mentions of new stocks joining the Nasdaq 100 next week. This generally bullish news may influence our analysis and expectations from the charts. Zooming in on the past month's data in the daily chart, we notice a clear upward trend, punctuated by minor corrections. The price action suggests strong bullish momentum. Despite some minor downward corrections, the overall trend remains strongly positive, indicating a sustained demand for this asset. Notice the recent price spike and subsequent consolidation. This indicates potential profit-taking and sideways movement, but a strong hold on the upward trend. Moving to the 1-hour chart will give us a more granular view. The hourly chart reveals intraday price fluctuations, which are common. We'll investigate specific instances where these fluctuations potentially correlate with news events from earlier. For instance, we can pinpoint the hourly candle that reacted to the news of new stocks joining the Nasdaq 100 next week, and notice that its reaction was pretty muted. Now, let's focus on the 15-minute chart to look at the very short-term price action and volatility. The 15-minute chart provides the most granular perspective, showing the minute-to-minute fluctuations. Here we look for very short-term buy and sell points. Returning to the daily chart, let's identify key support and resistance levels. A significant support level seems to be around 400, while resistance is around 420. These levels can inform our entry and exit strategy. However, these are just preliminary support and resistance levels based on what we have. It is highly likely that these levels will shift as prices move. Based on our analysis, short-term predictions point towards a sideways movement within the range of 400 to 420, with the possibility of a minor pullback. A breach above 420 could strengthen the bullish momentum. The longer-term outlook remains bullish. However, unexpected news or economic shifts could affect this trend. The likelihood of a breach above 420 in the short term is moderate, 40%. Conditions that increase this probability include positive news impacting the tech sector or a broader positive trend in the market. In the long term, we expect the price to continue the upward trend, but this prediction has a higher uncertainty given the potential market shifts. Watch out for shifts in major economic indicators and any news related to tech stocks, especially the new stocks joining the Nasdaq 100 next week. This will indicate whether our predictions will occur. Always remember that this analysis is not financial advice, and any trading decisions should be made based on careful consideration and risk tolerance.